Good morning. Who's next? Hello, miss.
Hi.
I need some assistance. Can I speak to a public prosecutor, please?
May I help you in what case this is about?
Well, it's 3 months now I haven't been paid and I would like some assistance. And is it possible I can speak to a prosecutor?
Well, miss, that's a civil case. The prosecutor office don't deal with
What
civil
do you mean,
cases.
civil case? I don't understand.
Come in and I will explain it to you.
Okay.
Yes, miss. The difference between a civil case and a criminal case. In your case, right now, it's a civil case. You're talking about your boss owe you some money. That's totally a civil case. The prosecutor office has nothing to do with that. A civil case, you have to go to a lawyer and file your complaint there by the lawyer about your boss, and then he can take it to court, or you yourself can go to court. In a criminal case now, that's fraud and somebody stalking you or somebody threatening you, and then we can help you with that one. But when it comes to civil case, we don't. In civil cases, you have like somebody owe you money, rent, land, all of that. Divorce, all of that is a civil case.
Okay, miss. I understand a lot better. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.